Hello guys, good day everyone. Today I'm going to teach you guys how you can make money using forex trade. My name is Anthony and I'm from TradingView. I'm Anthony and I'm dedicated to helping each one of you out there, every trader out there, to make money from forex trade. As we all know, forex trade is the largest financial market in the whole world. So let's dive right into it and see how it works. If you have your MetaTrader 5 platform or our application, you can just open it. I use forex. For those out there, if you don't know forex is a very recommendable app I will recommend for each and every one of you out there. So let me just clear my charts. So I just cleared my charts now. And I also clear my window. So as you can see, we're going to be trading on gold SAU on the 15-minute charts. So my strategy is going to be based on gold. Though you can also use the strategy for every other currency pairs, and it works perfectly for any time frame. But for today, we're using gold. So now let's set up the strategy. You come to your F sign. Come to your F sign here. Yes, this is your F sign. So you click on your F sign. Then you click on indicator. The first indicator we'll be adding to our charts is the RSI, the relative strength index, which is this one. Like as you can see, this one. The period is 200. Apply to close. The style could be 2 peso or any peso of your choice. And always remember, the color is white. Or the color should be the same color with your background. For this one, my background is white, so the color is white. And the level is 90 and 10, as you can see, 90 and 10. Then you click down. As you can see, this is the RSI. Then you add another strategy, another indicator, which is the MACD. The MACD, yes. The fast EMA, which is exponential moving average, is 12. The slow EMA is 26. And the shift EMA is 9. Apply to close. The style, the main one is 1 peso. The signal is 2 peso. You can use any color of your choice, but I choose to use blue and red. Then you click on done. As you can see, this is the MACD. It's a very 100% working strategy. Now we'll add the last indicator, which is the moving average. The moving average. The moving average. The period is 2. Shift 0. The method is exponential and apply to previous indicator. The reason why we say previous indicator, so that at the end of the MACD, once the moving average cross over the MACD, because the MACD is the MACD is the previous indicator, and once the moving average cross over, it means it's a buy or a sell signal. So at the end of the previous indicator, which is MACD, the moving average will give us the new direction. That's why I say previous indicator data. And the style is 3, the color It's any color of your choice. Then you click on done. For me, I prefer to use black on my moving average. Then you click on done. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So now, let's find our strategy, our signal, buy and sell signal. You see, whenever the MACD comes to the 10 level, to level 10, always pay attention to your charts and always pay attention to the MACD. Whenever it comes to the level 10, as you can see from this level right here, see this level, the MACD and the moving average is under. And as you can see, the market is down. You can see the market is down. So whenever the market is down, you see the moving average and the MACD will come down to this 10, this strong buy, this 10 under here. So whenever you see the MACD at this 10, you wait to get your signal. And what is the signal? You see the moving average crossing over the MACD. Once you see the moving average crossing over the MACD, that is your buy signal. As you can see, that is your buy signal. And you set your stop loss at the end of the consolidating market, or at the end of the previous sell market, which is under here. So you set your stop loss under, and you set your take profit times 3 of your stop loss, which means 1 to 3, which means if you are budgeting $100, if you are willing to lose $100, it means times 3 of the $100 is $300. You'll be willing to make $300 as profit. So as you can see, the signal that this MACD gave, as it comes below the 90, or it comes to the level of 90, and the moving average cross over the MACD, is a buy signal. Shows that the market is going up. You can also see another one here. As you can see, it crossed over the MACD, the moving average crossed over the MACD, and the market went up. For the sell too, always remember the moving average must cross over the MACD at the bottom, below, at the 10 level. The moving average must cross over the MACD below the level. So you have to be patient. This market is all about patience. You have to be patient and watch the market so as to get your perfect signal. So once the market get to the bottom, to the level of 10, and the moving average cross over the MACD, that is your buy signal. And the same thing also applies to sell. And mind you, always remember that the MACD must cross, the moving average must cross over the MACD to be above the MACD. Once the moving average is above the MACD, that is your buy signal, which means the market is going up. As you can see here, it's above the MACD. The moving average is above the MACD, which means the market is going up. And likewise too, when the market go up to the level of 90, you have to be patient and wait for the market. You have to be patient and wait for the moving average to cross over the MACD. Once the moving average cross over the MACD, mind you, the moving average will be below the MACD. Once the moving average is below the MACD, it means the market is going down. So I don't know if you get the 2 points. Once the moving average is above the MACD, it means the market is going up. And when it's below the MACD, it means the market is coming down. For me, I always enter the market or enter trade when I see that the trend of the MACD is close or is at the 90 level. then I will enter for a sell, or is at the 10 level, which is below, then I'll enter for a buy. Guys, don't enter the market when you are not sure. If the market is within this range, which means that the market is consolidating, please don't enter the market unless you are sure. But don't enter the market because there is no 100% where the direction is going. But with the help of this MACD and this moving average, you can see that the market, the trend is above the 90, which means it's a sell. Market will surely come down, and that is what we see. It came down, and once the market is below or is at the 10, the bottom, it means the market is going to raise or to go up. So you have to wait for the crossover from the moving average and the MACD. Once the moving average cross over the MACD, above the MACD, market is going up. Once it's crossed below the MACD, it means market is going down. So I would advise all traders out there, especially the beginners, please always be patient with the market and wait for these signals. Don't enter the market when the market is consolidating. No. Don't enter the market when the market is consolidating. Don't enter it. But always wait for the signals. You can see here. As you can see here, always wait for the signal. Always wait for the signal before entering the markets. I can assure you, if you follow this instruction or follow this strategy that I just showed you, you're going to make serious money for forex trade. This strategy have earned me a lot, has made a lot of money for me. I was able to build my first house with the help of this strategy. So I would advise all of you out there to pay keen attention to this strategy that I showed you. The video is always available. Always watch the video until you understand how it works. For beginner out there, you don't need too much education about forex trade before you know how it works. With the help of this strategy, once it's above the 90, you sell. Once it's below the 10, you buy. And you're going to make serious money from this. So thank you so much. This is the strategy I want to show you, and I hope you enjoy the video. Please, wherever you see the video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time on my next video.